Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Our Spurs don't sign Rodrigo Bentancur, and at the same time they don't agree a deal to sign Kulusevski. And our monitoring spiritual they call Fabrizio Romano, and they let us know say these deals don't already happen. What's remain and made them just announce them officially, and they also maybe today they go announce them officially. And waiting bring us close to this deal, or waiting make this news this significance to us. We say, say Arsenal self the reason say they won't sign Kulusevski before in the past. I don't know what it can really happen. We say Spurs can go sign him. And remember, I say Spurs sporting director will be Patriarchi. This is a good relationship with Juventus. That's why the deal fee go through for them. And the people, no be people who Tottenham Hotspur the reason in the first place. So I just like panic buy because they don't all the people don't want buy. Liverpool don't buy Diaz, so their own targets don't really materialize. So they can't really say okay who they are available. All these people we ask now the reason. We ask somebody like the reason. Yamo go carry them. So don't carry all those people. So Arsenal now they touch lights for another person because it is today or never. If you know if you sign anybody today or not, you don't pass with that. Today now the deadline day. Today is the official day. After today now, see all this transfer news, all this what they talk about every day. You go come close. You come go the assess players who don't move, who move to a better place, who are the winners of the window, who are the losers of the window. And those Arsenal, if Arsenal no sign, Arsenal will be one of the losers of the window. Then we'll keep our fingers crossed, carry the remaining players who get who they used before, then see what he go fix up. Then at the same time, Paul Merson will be one of our legends. Don't come as I call the talk say as Arsenal they now. Say Arsenal really need a striker because this second half of the season, Lacazette is just an injury or a suspension or a COVID-19 test, a positive test away from Nketiah to come be our number one. They don't even say Lacazette don't come out now, so that only Nketiah will depend on our number 9, and we'll also want to enter top 6. So will make sense. So as we do like this now, we need another striker. But me personally, what's my own opinion? What are the things? They say maybe Arteta and they may do Gaspar. They really say they don't want to do panic buying. They don't want to buy person. At the end of the day now, the person don't go really fit to what they want build. They can't reason how they go to sell them later just because they panicked buy the player you get. You see, as a winger said, don't do all these kinds of things in the past. Even when they buy Arteta self, I believe say they buy Arteta on deadline day or close. Now panic buy one wing level Arteta when you buy like 5 players. So now what myself I believe all those Saka then they also rush carry their come. So now what me I the team say this Arteta I don't want to do that same mistake. Because if Arteta buy anybody now, many people say a panic buy unless that person a household name. But how possible is it going to be for us to sign a household name for this last day of the window? Well, anything can happen. Shamo the watch. At the same time, Juventus don't sign Dennis Zakaria from Borussia Mönchengladbach. And our monetary spirit they gave it they call Fabrizio Romano. Now let us know say Fabrizio is professional for all these kind of transfer deals. The guy they keep us updated. The guy gave many sources for different clubs. They let us know as they go. So the guy don't let us know say Juventus don't sign that guy. So as they sign them now, I never know whether Automelo deal still there on the table. I'm on the watch. Or even Mundo Deportivo, will be one of our monitoring spirit, don't come outside and let us know say Real Sociedad they ready to let Isaac leave to Arsenal. But the only thing we say they don't want to negotiate anything with Arsenal. Say if we really want this guy, when I come break him buyout clause, and the buyout clause now £75 million. Isaac now 22-year-old, really very good and skillful. He did very tough. He can give you that focal point advantage. Now targets man in B. So whether Arsenal will feel break this guy buyout clause on this deadline day, I would say a lot of us they hope say it will happen. And to make the matters very easy, Isaac they already for London. The guy did London already gets. I feel whether yesterday I believe for yesterday when the guy enter London Heathrow Airport, people call himself say that's Isaac, that's Isaac. You know people are there excited say Isaac they London to fuel the speculation. So whether Arsenal won't sign him on deadline day because the guy can't call like say want to do shopping or they buy some kind of things. You know say La Liga said they on break as England said they on break. So the guy they do shopping. So, and La Liga will resume, I think, February 3rd. So, anytime soon, the guy will go back after this deadline. So, we'll never know whether Arsenal, they really sign him. If they won't sign him today, it will be very easy because now just to fax the paper to Real Sociedad. If you want to do medical, Baba don't do London already. So, everything will be easy. So, are we seeing an Isaac joining Arsenal today? Or are we not seeing an Isaac 9 minutes? A lot of people, they ask. Well, more they watch. Arsenal officially announced the signing of Lino da Cruz, will be left back where Arsenal signed from West Brom. So they carry this guy go our academy team, make good they go play. He's a player for the future because they say the guy did very good. He's a huge potential. So you never know how everything goes up. So welcome the guy to our Arsenal family and hope he will be one of the great players for this good club. You are welcome, Lino. Paul Brown will be our transfer guru. Don't come outside and let us know. Say Arsenal #1 target as a striker. Like me, Dominic Calvert-Lewin say Arsenal still try to sign the guy for this deadline deal. But the only problem, the stumbling block people did, they say no say Everton now. I've been telling that before to say Everton sack Rafael Benitez. They're going to use interim manager in Duncan Ferguson. But now they don't sign a new coach in the name of Frank Lampard. Yes, Frank Lampard don't get a new team and now Everton. So as Frank Lampard they enter now, Frank Lampard feel no sanction the sale of Dominic Calvert-Lewin because you know the reason say he need the guy to move things, even though they still get run down. But he go sit up say Lewin fit still get future under him, and at the same time about seven talk say one sign Van der Beek. The reason Van der Beek from Manchester United to make on join them, and that one said they agree to join them. So we never know how this one will materialize. Whether Dominic get future for Arsenal, I being no gets. Well, my own question is if they say make I choose between Isaac and Dominic, who I go choose? I will choose Dominic because in they used to the league already. At least we know what he bring for EPL. But if that one no dey on the table, Isaac is a good choice. Isaac, I watch the guy clips. The guy is good too. The guy is very good and get long legs. The guy can run, dribble, wipe shot from outside, nod. As in everything way a modern day striker is supposed to give you, now they give you. So I just like the guy. On my maritally spiritual, they call Sunday people. Don't come outside. They let us know say Barcelona don't send their director to London to trash out Aubameyang deal you get. And that's about the deal where Aubameyang won't do with Barcelona. Arsenal they set a loan with an option to buy £30 million. That's the option at the end of the loan. If Barcelona can decide say okay, we won't sign Aubameyang, they will pay us £30 million, and that is a very good fee for somebody to say we don't put them as surplus to requirement. Benjamin members no longer has a future in Arsenal, and they can't pay us that kind of money with his age 32 years. Come on. I doubt that fee. The fee too big. But somebody did that kind of age. The fee too big. So and everything still they hinged on the sale of Dembele to another club. So that's why they will decide when the guy will move. Well, more the what now everything is still today. If Aubameyang no go, Arteta no get any choice than to forgive him, because if you no forgive Aubameyang and at the end of the day we no come qualify for Europe, they will call for your head. Mr. I go follow call for your head because you can't have a striker who is a proven centre forward for your Benjamin. You can't play some kind of people need to score for you. No. All of us will call for your head. Fabrizio Romano said don't come outside again because they let us know say Automelo deal to Arsenal don't collapse as things stand now. You get unless something come miraculously happen again. But for now, say everything don't collapse. Since we say Juventus don't sell Rodrigo Bentancur, they can't sign Denis Zakaria to come replace him. Even though they don't sell Kulusevski, though we already know say Kulusevski no get future for Juventus. So if they go allow Automelo go, who they go to replace him? Now waiting with the talk now. So we never really know how everything will happen. Well, more the watch. Now today be deadline day. When I keep on our fingers crossed, keeping our eyes open. Keep your ears open for any deals. Which I'm going to shine my torchlights. They visit all my sources. They check my monitoring spirits. But they let me know what's in the sub as they happen. No time. But at the same time, Gabriel Agbonlahor don't come outside for pundit duty. When they talk about Aubameyang situation, transfer, and Arteta. So, but back on the talk, say Arteta is a very stubborn man. Say, could you believe that as Arsenal day now, say Arteta prefer to use a false 9 instead of to use a centre forward when he gets for him Benjamin? No use that one. A false 9 can't carry the play. See, the hope say the first 9 will score. Okay, look at Lacazette now. How many goals Lacazette don't score? 3 goals in 20-something matches. You can't carry Aubameyang who don't even score more than Lacazette and play fewer matches. carry am dey throw away. Wetin him do wey person never do before? Wetin him do wey dem no fit forgive am? Na wetin him no really understand. And which means if this guy no come go Barcelona now, maybe in Benjamin go come still long. How long can you keep him out of the team? Just forgive am. Nothing Baba dey talk, and I don't know whether una dey in line or in sync with Baba perspective. Say Arteta na a very very stubborn coach. He dey hardly forgive person. And wetin Adebayo yourself talk say no be even Arteta with the issue. Say na Arsenal in perspective. Say na Arsenal in quotes. The Arsenal know they like to forgive person. If they don't offend them like this, they'll put it for the black book, forgetting anything we don't do for them before. So that's the bone of contention now. At the same time, we hear say Aubameyang dey ready to take a pay cut to join Barcelona because the guy dey desperate to leave Arsenal, because if he continue to stay for Arsenal, he know say he no go play and he go just dey for Benjamin there, and he dey disgraceful. You don't tell when this guy play football, so the guy really needs to come back to shape, come back to football, make him play again, because football na one of the things wey he love, he's passionate about football. So he don't dey agree to take a pay cut, but everything na still hinge on Dembele. If Dembele move, na they go carry am. So everybody dey pray make Dembele move so that Aubameyang go fit go join Barcelona, at least may rekindle in form. Then by the time when the loan deal go expire, he go come dey on a final lap. So maybe Barcelona will sign am or somebody else go sign am. You never know. But dey watch out. So concerning Dembele, our monetary spirit dey let us know say Dembele don agree to join PSG. So we never know how this one will turn out. Everything na today they will check am if it go dey very very possible for PSG to sign am, and today we go know. But our monetary spirit let us know say Dembele has agreed to sign for PSG, and Barca sef dey willing to let am move. PSG sef dey willing to bring am. But everything na whether they get enough time to sign the paperwork and do everything. But if they no fit achieve their aim for this January, then na at the summer im go move. But that one sef na another person dey desperate to move, because Coach fit dey put am for Benjamin, may no go kill im career. So na another thing be that. So na today everything go dey clearer. After today now, everybody go know where dem stand. So we come dey pursue our targets dey go. At the same time, Martin Keown will be one of Arsenal greats. Don't come outside and talk about Granit Xhaka. But also, what's the Boston Brim? Say he watch one interview with Granit Xhaka, and he talk say he know they ready to change. Say this one, that one. So the same vex and go say, how can you say you don't want change? You do something bad. Everybody tell say you are letting the team down. You are not tackling the right way. You need to know when to go down, when not to go down, when to hold somebody, when not to hold somebody. Xhaka still need to learn the basics of tackling. You get. So you need to learn how to tackle. You need to know when to let somebody dribble you and when not to let somebody dribble you. When to trust your keeper, when to trust your teammates. You know all those kind of things. So you come for somebody like Xhaka to come outside and talk, say he's not willing to change. He likes to go into take risk. He's in a risky situation. Say it's not good enough. The Baba need to learn how to make tackles and change for the better. As a human being, we'll grow every day. We learn every day. You get. Nobody will talk say no one change. Change is constant. So that's what it just be. So my dear football lover, if you no watch yesterday's show, just check the thumbnail on the top left corner of the screen. You will see am. Click am so that you get all the updates for Arsenal, because I don't want people to miss any chicken updates. So it's CHUKS signing out. Have a great week ahead of you, and get out.